Yeah, it's working now. Smile, baby. You're on video. Why are you chewing like a cow?
I feel like a cow.
In between his teeth.
I know. You're chewing just like a cow. So is Tiffany. Y'all some cows, and a toothless one right there. 3 cows.
You want some gum?
Crystal, how do you feel riding the bus with 3 cows?
I think we need to take them back to the farm.
Wow.
I'm not. You do it like a cow.
No, I'm not. Let me get another.
Didn't I say stay out your candies?
Can I get 2?